Hello everyone, today we are going to see how to use recursive function in Python. For that we are going to display Fibonacci series using recursive function. Let me give you a short explanation on what is meant by recursive function. Recursive function means that the function which calls itself and repeats its behavior until some condition is met to return a result. Let's take a quick scan on what is meant by Fibonacci series. The Fibonacci series is a series of numbers in which the next number is found by adding up the previous two numbers. You can see here. Okay, let's start to create our recursive function. Open your Python IDE and create a new file like this. And by the way, if you don't know how to download and install Python IDE, don't worry, the link is given in the description box below. Go and check it out. Here I have created display Fibo function with parameter n using def keyword. In this display Fibo function with parameter n, I am going to check the condition. If value of parameter n is less than or equal to 1, it will return value of parameter n, else it will return the addition of display Fibo function with parameter n minus 1 plus display Fibo function with parameter n minus 2. Here after creating display Fibo function, I have written print statement which states how many number of Fibonacci series you want to print. After that I am going to take input from user in the integer format and assign that value to the variable n times. After that I am going to check the condition, that is, if value of variable n times is less than or equal to 0, it will print please enter a positive integer, else it will print Fibonacci series, and after that for loop will get execute. This for loop will get execute for n times, and inside this for loop print display Fibo function will get print. Now let me explain how this recursive function is going to work. Inside this for loop I have written print statement. Inside this print statement I have called display Fibo function with value of I. This for loop will get executed from value 0 to value of n times. Let's consider this value of variable n times as 10. So now when for loop will get executed for very first time, value of variable I will be 0. So that's why display Fibo function will get executed with value of 0. So inside this display Fibo function we have already given the condition such that if value of variable n is less than or equal to 1, it will return value of variable n. Right now value of variable n is 0. So it will return 0. Now here when for loop will get executed for second time, value of variable I will be 1. And here display Fibo function will get executed with value of 1. And inside the display Fibo function, according to the condition, it will return value of variable n, that is 1. Now for loop will get execute for third time. This time value of variable I is going to be 2. This time display Fibo function will get execute with value of 2. Inside this display Fibo function we have given condition that if value of variable n is less than or equal to 1, but right now value of variable n is greater than 1, that's why this if block will get skipped and else block will get execute. Inside this else block we have written addition of display Fibo function with value of n minus 1 and display Fibo function with value of n minus 2. So basically it will perform addition of display Fibo function with value of 1 and display Fibo function with value of 0. And we have already seen that display Fibo function with value of 1 returns 1 and display Fibo function with value of 0 returns 0. So we are going to get value as 1. So this will go on until inside the for loop value of variable I becomes 9, and that's how we will get our first 10 numbers of Fibonacci series. Let's check out our output. Click on option run. Inside this run option, click on run module. Here how many number of Fibonacci series you want to print. I'm going to give value as 10. You can give whatever you want. Here is our Fibonacci series. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Info Studio. And if you have any query, any questions related to this video or any other video, do let me know into the comment section below. Bye for now.